offers that we'll get. Let's go. We have to wait until we get a trade. So that's why there's music in the background. Let's go and let's trade. Hopefully we get good offers for my minion chick because it's like the worst legendary in the game. But since we're doing a challenge, we can probably get more. Okay, so we got our first trade and they are trading 2 strawberry bad dragons. I don't know what to say, so I'm just gonna say if they can offer. By the way, guys, the reason I want to get a parrot is because I want to grow my inventory and change it up a little bit. And that's why I did an inventory tour on the first video. Make sure you go check that out. By the way, this challenge is because I also want to maybe see people's offers if their parrot is a dream pet. So let's go. I put up the minion chick. Now let's see what they're gonna do. I hope they have an offer, because they said they don't have an offer. So they don't have an offer. Let's go keep trading other people, because the more we trade, the more we actually will get an offer. Wait till the end to see the things that we get, because there's gonna be some super supreme stuff. So right now we're just trading random people, and yeah. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can actually get like a good deal. But it's okay if we don't. Let's keep going because we want to actually get some really good deals and trades. By the way, if you have a challenge that you're doing, so for example like a dog, unicorn, make sure you check the description. I have so many different people who are doing challenges, because this thing is all about challenges. You can get like anything you want with challenges. You can manage to get your dream pets and stuff like that. Let's just see what this girl says. So sadly they declined, but didn't write. Hopefully we get better trades though, and make sure we actually get good trades. And yes, it honestly is a really good game. Let's see what this second girl says. So she declined like the last person, but it's okay. We will still get better trades and deals, of course. Let's just keep trading. Hopefully, I get a better trade next time. Hey everyone, if I get a parrot, then you guys can comment down below your offers if I had a parrot. It would be so cool to just see your offers in the comments. Let's just keep trading so we can get like these 2 legendaries. Like wait till the end to see the pets we got for this minion chick. It can be a blast. And I will be showing a preview with the voiceover of the pets. Let's go! Again, this girl also passed the trade, so let's quickly see. She passed. Here, this was not about the challenge, but I did want to offer for a neon fiber rideable dragon, so let's quickly do that. Comment down below if you think my offer is fair, and comment down below if you will do it in the comments. So yeah, this is my offer for a neon fiber rideable dragon, and if you guys will like do it, let me know your real watchers down in that comment below, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and like button so you know when I post a video. Anyways, she declined and passed my trade, but if you guys will do that offer as said, let me know. Hi guys, so here's a preview of the pets because I cannot show the trade I did. Second one is actually a lunar gold tiger, which are really good pets for a minion. So this video.